Hello, I am Chaya, a librarian at Cinco Ranch Branch Library. In today's session, we are going to be looking at the ribbon menu interface on Microsoft Word 2010. The ribbon is a user interface element that was first introduced by Microsoft in Microsoft Word 2007. It is located right below the title bar, which is on the very top of your screen. It comprises of 7 tabs: Home, Insert, Page Layout, Preferences, Mailings, Review, and View. The File tab sits to the far left, and this is where you would go to save your document, open or close an existing document, open a new document, or even print your document. Each one of these tabs have their own unique commands that are useful for you to complete a successful document. Let's go ahead and click on each one of these tabs to see what type of user-friendly commands Microsoft Word has to offer us. The Home tab has 5 groups of related commands: clipboard, font, paragraph, styles, and editing. It helps you change document settings such as font style, size. You can bolden, italicize, or underline your words. It helps you change your text by inserting bullets, by aligning them to left or center or right. It helps you to return to the home section of the document. The Insert tab is the second tab in the ribbon menu interface. As the name suggests, it is used to insert or add extra features in your document. It is commonly used to add tables, pictures, clip art, shapes, smart art, even charts. The Insert tab has 7 groups of related commands. Pages, where you would go to add a cover page for your document, insert a blank page, or even insert a page break. The Tables group, the Illustrations group, the Links group, which is where you would go to insert a hyperlink in your document. You would go to the Header and Footer group to insert a header, footer, or even page numbers in your documents. You would go to the Text group to insert a text box, word art, and their signature line, date and time in your document. You would go to the Symbols group to insert equations or symbols in your document. Page Layout is the third tab, and you can see that there are unique set of commands in Page Layout. This tab allows you to control the look and feel of your document. You can change the page size, margins, line spacing, indentation, documentation orientation, whether you want a portrait orientation or a landscape orientation. You could decide by clicking on the orientation command. These commands basically help you to design the layout of your document by inserting color and changing your orientation, aligning your text, etc. The next tab is the References tab. This is the 4th tab in the ribbon, and the commands on this tab are especially useful when drafting research papers and other such scholarly documents. It allows you to enter document sources, citations, bibliography commands, etc. It also offers commands to create table of contents, an index. So the References tab has 6 groups of related commands: the Table of Contents group, the Footnotes group, the Citations and Bibliography group, Captions group, Index, and Table of Authorities. As said earlier, this tab is especially useful for anyone creating very formal documents such as research papers. The next tab is the Mailings tab. This tab has options that will help you to prepare documents for mailing purposes like printing envelopes, mailing labels, etc. In this 5th tab in the ribbon, and the least often used tab of all the tabs available in the ribbon. You can find options that allow you to create envelopes or labels, start a mail merge, write and insert fields, preview results, and finish. The next tab is the Review tab, which offers you some important commands to modify your document. It helps you to proofread your content, to add and remove comments, track changes, etc. It has 6 groups of related commands: proofing, language, comments, tracking, changes, compare, and protect. These commands are especially useful when collaborating on Word documents that are shared online. The final tab is the View tab. This tab gives you the option of looking at your document in different ways. It allows you to switch between a single page and a 2-page view. It also enables you to control various layouts like boundaries, guides, rulers. As you can see in my document, the ruler is at this time not visible. By checking off this box, the ruler suddenly becomes visible. When you have a multi-page document, navigation pane is especially useful to find your information. By clicking on the navigation pane box, you are able to insert a navigation pane on the left side of your screen, which would help you greatly in finding information in a multi-page document. You have the Zoom group, where you are able to zoom in on the text. You have the show and hide, and you have the macros group. The 7 tabs of Microsoft Word are unique because they each offer different commands that are useful for completing a successful document. On the very bottom of your screen, on the left side, you're able to see the page option. My document at this time has only 1 page, so the number of pages that you're looking at on the screen is 1. I do not have any words on my document, so the number of words is showing as 0. On the right hand side, the bottom right corner of your screen, you're able to zoom in and out of your document by moving the ruler to left or right. This brings us to the conclusion of the ribbon menu interface explanation of Microsoft Word 2010. Thank you.